Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place an OCO order on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on Tradovate.com. Over here on the dashboard, you just have to simply click on this particular drop down menu, and here you are going to see the option of OCO one time. So you can get this particular option from here, or you can just simply click on this particular arrow section, and this way you are going to see this type of pop-up. So over here you need to click on the option of advanced, then select the option of OCO. Now after selecting the option of OCO, you just have to simply choose your futures contract. Then you just have to simply select the action, the quantity, and the order type. For example, you can create a sell limit over here, and then you can just simply also provide the stop loss, your stop limit, your trailing stop loss, and bunch of different things. So once everything is done, you just have to simply enter both the price for both the orders. For example, if you are long on MES contract, you could place a take profit above the current price and your stop loss below it. So after filling out these details, you just have to simply click on the option of send, and this way you can check your order modules to make sure that both the orders are working for you. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.